Have you ever wondered what market execution in Forex is? Have you ever pondered over how it works and the best way to utilize it? Well, today, we're diving into that very topic. Imagine this. You're a retail trader and you're about to make a move. You click on the buy or sell button, not specifying a particular price you're aiming for. This, my friends, is what we call market execution in Forex. It's like plunging into the ocean without checking the temperature first. In a slow-moving market, it's akin to a calm sea, but in a rapidly moving market, it can be more like diving into a whirlpool. Now, market execution also comes into play when a stop-loss or a take-profit target is hit. Picture this. You're in a race, and you've just crossed the finishing line. In Forex terms, that's when the price gets touched, and it sends an order to your broker to get out of the market immediately. It's like handing over your race number and stepping off the track. Here's where it gets interesting. The only way to get out of the market immediately is to pay the price being asked by the other side. If the bid is 1.3109 and you're trying to sell your position to get out of the market, that's the price you're going to receive. If the ask price is 1.3109 and you're trying to buy a position to get out of the market, your stop loss will get filled at that level. But here's a word of caution. Market execution should be avoided during news announcements, especially the major ones. Why, you ask? Because the slippage can be quite drastic. It's like trying to navigate through a stormy sea. By specifying your prices before you dive into the marketplace, you can avoid any nasty surprises that can cost you money, even if it's just a few pips. It's like checking the weather forecast before you set sail. So, remember, planning and caution are your best companions when it comes to market execution in Forex. Also, it's worth noting that market execution by its very nature will be of a limit or stop order type of price in that scenario. So keep these points in mind and you'll be better equipped to navigate the choppy waters of Forex trading. So, there you have it. The ins and outs of market execution in Forex. It's all about knowing when to dive in, when to step out, and how to navigate through it all. Happy trading!